Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use new back preview animation on Android 16. Firstly, you need to make sure that you use gesture navigation instead of a 3-button navigation. Let me quickly show it to you how you can switch to that. You need to open your settings. Now let's scroll to System section. Let's tap on navigation mode, and here you can finally select gesture navigation. So, how to use new back preview animation? You need to start by slowly swiping inward from the left or from the right side of your screen. And as you drag, the current screen will visually shrink, revealing a little bit the preview of the screen that is behind it. And if you want to complete the action, you just have to finish the swipe like this. But if you decide that you don't want to go back, you have to drag your finger back to the original position and lift it to cancel the action. Once again, that's how it works. So I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.